Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection, in this case Star Stitch, that I've picked just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. So let's start on why it's so pretty. This is our Star Stitch pattern. I love the Americana feel. I love the red, white, and blue, and I love all of the details. For me, an egg tray is so much more than just an egg tray, but it's a necessity that we need. If you grew up like I did and you love deviled eggs, this is a no-brainer. Why is it practical? It's practical because we're going to be able to do so many things besides just our deviled eggs. Where do you put those little bite-sized appetizers? Where do you put the cookies when you're putting dessert out? This now morphs into so many different things, and it's purposeful, meaning it truly transcends the table and makes every experience even better. And that's what this brand is all about. It's about gathering friends and family back around the table, doing it beautifully. These are all individually hand-painted pieces. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. Speaking of that, follow me. One of my absolute favorite appies to do are these cream cheese stuffed jalapeno poppers. I know. Even mac and cheese bites, so many different things you can do. The little pigs in a blanket. So everything you do on that metal cookie sheet, forget it. Do it on this beautiful egg tray. Look at how crispy brown they get. Look at the coating and color there that you see. And did you notice? That well in the center is going to be perfect for all of the dipping sauces that you're going to have. You could do a shrimp cocktail and put your cocktail sauce or your tartar sauce inside here. So many different uses. And let's also take a peek at the desserts, because this is another thing. Where do you put all of these pieces? In that center reservoir, I was able to put, again, one of those beautiful dips. If you've ever tried my sweet dips, that is fantastic. Now look how everything's organized. You could even have melted marshmallow in the center and make your own s'mores, which is fantastic. And then let's not forget truly why it was created. And that is, of course, for deviled eggs. So look at how beautifully all of your 12 eggs sit there. You can have anything you want there in the center, but it's Star Stitch. This is what we love about it. Where can we find it? Over at temp-tations.com. It's only for a limited time. It's all we have is what we brought in, and we actually put the collection specific pieces on sale. So head over to temp-tations.com, check out this amazing egg tray and more, and the entire Star Stitch collection.